Welcome back to the Alboe Show. Today we are listening to Rest by Fnonose and Shi No Tomo by MoonEra. For games, we are looking at the title called Obduction. This is from Cyan Worlds, and much like their other two previous famous titles, Mist and Riven, it is an explore the island and figure out the puzzles sort of game. Cyan Worlds is the oldest independent studio currently still making games. They've been around as long as I can remember. And Obduction is just as great as their others. I didn't even know it was them until after I finished the game and I had to look up who did this, and then I was like, oh, it's those guys. Great experience, highly recommend it. It'll take you some time to work things out. Of course, that's the point of them. It's a puzzle game. Go for it. And there is a webcomic I'm bringing attention to called Sinfest. They are doing some amazing work. Serialized sort of Alice in Wonderland parody of our real world in it. For interesting places, we are looking to the Statue of Unity in Western India. It is the world's tallest statue with a height of about 182 meters. It is hollow on the inside. Inside there is this little viewing gallery where they have this mesh that's right where the chest would be, right near the heart. So you're able to look out from inside of it. There's some views from the interior. That is the Statue of Unity in India. And we are looking at a fun movie. This one is about 38 years old, 1986, from Russia. It is called Kin-Dza-Dza. Man, I watched this and it left such an impression I kept thinking about it for days and days after. The special effects are really good for the time frame. The storyline is wonderfully unpredictable. The environments where they're filming is the deserts of Kazakhstan in some cases. Really cool. It has this old sort of Soviet industrial aspect to some of the interiors. Kin-Dza-Dza, it left an impression. Highly recommend it. And we're just going to end this episode with some views of a frosty morning in British Columbia and some more of the song from Shi No Tomo from MoonEra.